Hi guys, it's me Vidarth. I'm gonna teach you how to make paneer. So you have to cut this side and I think you have to cut all 4 sides. One sec. Okay, now I'll place it down. Big chunk. Now cutting it. Cut it like this first. Now we have to cut it in small pieces and be careful. Wait, I got an idea. One more side. You guys don't know how I'm doing this, so you have to just cut these 2 pieces, then fold it down. If it's this small, do not cut it. Actually, you can cut it down the middle, it will be hard. Done. Now for the batch 2. After chopping the paneer, get some warm water and put it on the bowl so you can get soft paneer. Now add the paneer. Be careful because it might break. Now it's time to chop the onion. To chop the tomato. Place your pan on the stove and on it. After that, we have to add some oil. After oil, some garlic. You could add cashews too. After cashews, garlic, add the onions which you chopped up. Now it's time for the onions. Now it's time to add the onions. First check. Okay, have to add them very slowly. Now we have to stir the onion and garlic. Now it's time to add tomatoes. Check this. Okay, safe. Tomato, drop it in. Tomato, drop it in. Once it's done, keep it aside for a few minutes and chop the capsicum. For all the vegetables and fruits from the bowl, from the pan, if you say, to the mixie jar. Drain it into mixture. Now let's go to the curry. Add some more oil to the same pan. Now add the capsicum, my favorite. First test. Sorry guys, we forgot a step. We have to add the bay leaf. I thought it was the next one. Ah! I'm gonna keep it in this brown thingy. This spatula I call it. New name, spatula. Okay. Now slowly keep it in. Guys, yeah, now stirring temperature. Need forgetting everything. Stir it well, okay? And be careful. After stirring it well, add some salt. Stir it well again. I added salt on camera off that time. So now add the chutney which you made. It's sweet. I think it's a little too much. Stir it well. I think it's a little too much. It's too much. It's too much. It's too much. Time for the spices, my favorite. That is jeera powder. Now this is chili powder, my favorite. Oh, it's time for garam masala. Now for coriander. Everything is stacked up on each other because only this area. But 1 second, come back guys. Add the salt, my favorite. I'm just gonna add it here. It will be very salty there. Ah, it's burning. I'll take a towel and do it. Okay, now let's leave this thing for 10 minutes and then the final step, the paneer that was the first step, cutting it. Now it's the last step with the paneer. Now time to add paneer. Do not add the water by the way. It's kind of hard. It's okay if you break it. It's now time to mix it very, very well. Here, mix very well. Now your paneer curry is ready. Have it hot so all of you guys can have it. Bye. See you in the next video. Like and subscribe.